Welcome back to the show. Today we're going to show you how to check the battery health on the Apple Watch SE. If you've had the watch for a while and you're noticing that the battery is draining sort of fast, maybe your battery health is not the best and you want to make sure that maybe it's that, or you have a problem with your watch for some reason. So all we have to do is press the digital crown, go to settings, and here we would go basically to the bottom where it says, not the bottom, but battery. And here we have the battery percentage when we charged, and we say last charge, battery health. And in battery health, we can actually see the maximum capacity of the watch is now 96 because we are basically used it and charged it for multiple months. And also we can also optimize the battery charging, which means it won't charge all the way all the time, but it will charge almost all the way. And then when you're gonna wake up and knows your patterns, it'll charge at the very end all the way to 100%. So that's basically how it works and how you can check the battery health on the Apple Watch SE. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.